Patio door installation in Glendale, Arizona, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor living spaces. With a variety of options available, including sliding glass doors, French doors, and custom Patio Doors Glendale, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Patio door contractors in Glendale, Arizona, offer expert advice and professional installation to ensure a seamless process. Sliding glass doors in Glendale, Arizona, are a popular choice for those seeking a modern and sleek look. These doors provide easy access to outdoor areas while maximizing natural light. Patio door experts in Glendale, Arizona, can help you select the best sliding glass doors to match your home's aesthetic and functional needs. French doors in Glendale offer a classic and elegant option for patio access. Known for their timeless appeal, French doors can be customized to fit any style. Patio door companies in Glendale provide a wide range of French door options, ensuring that homeowners can find the perfect match for their design preferences. Patio door replacement in Glendale, Arizona, is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Whether dealing with broken glass, damaged frames, or faulty hardware, patio door replacement services in Glendale, Arizona, can address all your needs. Regular maintenance can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your doors. Custom Patio Doors Glendale allow homeowners to create a unique and personalized entryway to their outdoor spaces. With options like bifold patio doors and energy-efficient patio doors, Glendale residents can design doors that meet their specific requirements. Patio door solutions in Glendale offer endless possibilities for customization. Energy-efficient patio doors in Glendale are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Patio door upgrades in Glendale, Arizona, can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency. Patio door replacement in Glendale, Arizona, is a service that can enhance both the appearance and functionality of your home. Whether you're replacing outdated doors or upgrading to a new style, patio door contractors in Glendale, Arizona, provide expert installation and guidance throughout the process. Bifold patio doors in Glendale offer a versatile and space-saving solution for homeowners. These doors fold neatly to one side, creating a wide opening that seamlessly connects indoor and outdoor spaces. Patio door styles in Glendale, Arizona, include a variety of bifold options to suit any home. Patio door maintenance in Glendale, Arizona, is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your doors. Regular inspections and upkeep can prevent issues such as sticking, warping, or hardware failure. Patio door maintenance services in Glendale, Arizona, help keep your doors in top condition. Aluminum Patio Doors Glendale are a durable and low-maintenance option for homeowners. Known for their strength and resistance to the elements, aluminum patio doors are ideal for the Glendale climate. Patio door brands in Glendale offer a range of aluminum options to suit any budget and style.